In this tutorial, we're going to see how to record a Salesloft meeting. Firstly, schedule a meeting in Salesloft through the calendar or directly in the platform. Make sure to link it with necessary CRM or communication tools such as Zoom or Google Meet. Once the meeting starts, you'll be able to record through the connected platform like Zoom, as Salesloft doesn't have its own built-in recording functionality but integrates with video conferencing tools. If you're using Zoom for your meeting, make sure to record option is enabled. This can be done either automatically when the meeting starts or manually by clicking the record button. After the meeting ends, the recording will be available in your chosen platform. You can then download or share the recording with your team. In Salesloft, you can link the meeting recording to your notes or activity stream for easy access by your team members.